We are now here in Nuvali, Santa Rosa. We have just concluded our seminar on transparency, accountability, and evaluation as part of the ongoing formation of bishops together with the economos of every diocese. And the topic has been on exactly transparency, accountability, and evaluation. It was a very beautiful workshop seminar, and all of us who participated, all the bishops, all the economos of all the dioceses, found the seminar workshop very enlightening, very inspiring, and also very challenging. Because of course we do know and accept that there is an important need to have transparency, accountability, and evaluation in our church, in the management of our assets, of our finances, of our life as believers. And the value of this seminar and workshop is that, well, we are now living in a world, in a modern world, where accountability is a very strong and even necessary part of our corporate life. And we must remember that church also is a corporate. It is to be managed also like a corporation. It has to have some common policies, some common principles to work with in the management of the temporal gifts for the talents and the gifts that the Lord God has given us. We are supposed to be responsible stewards. And that brings the value of this workshop and seminar on accountability, transparency, especially that we are now as a church embarking on a stewardship church, a church that is taking care not only of the spiritual life, but we are also responsible for our temporal responsibilities. And so it is a very nice workshop seminar that should be made available to all our dioceses, to all our church leaders, and in fact, to all of our congregation. I do hope and pray that this program may be brought down to the grassroots, even to all our dioceses, all our parishes. God bless you. Let us be responsible stewards that by being accountable, transparent, and are ready to be evaluated. God bless you all.